Motichur laddu or Kaju Katli?
Most requested, I forgot.
One sweet that deserves a comeback. Hey Biscuits, कुछ मीठा हो जाए?
Welcome to Shakkar.
Finish the sentence. I'm a misfit because.
मिठाई बिजनेस इज ह्यूज
Yes.
एंड हमें बहुत टाइम लगा, 1 साल से भी ज्यादा रेकी करने में टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एक अच्छी मिठाई प्रेजेंट करनी हो कैसे करना है. लॉट ऑफ शेफ्स केम, लॉट ऑफ फूड टेस्टिंग्स, लॉट ऑफ मिठाई टेस्टिंग्स, भाजी, सेवरीज, and then finally one day we said that we are ready to launch the brand Shakkar.
You were the official gifting and catering partner for IFA Awards 2025. So how was the experience for you?
Being part of an event that celebrates Indian creativity on a global platform was completely a very special moment for us. We had specially created this design for them. We had mithai, which is pine nuts. We specially curated for them with gold work.
One weird flavor combo that surprisingly worked.
चाय भी शक्कर के बिना नहीं हो सकती.
हो ही नहीं सकता.
Exactly.
करनी नहीं है.
नहीं करती.
शादी में शक्कर और शक्कर से टक्कर भी नहीं लेगी.
Oh, good one.
Today we have Pooja Gogia from Shakkar on Social Misfits.
Hi Pooja, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you so much.
I must tell you, you have a beautiful store.
Thank you very much for coming. You're coming here for the first time. And it's a lot of hard work which has gone
sure.
behind creating a store like this.
Yes.
And it took us a while. It's not very old. We in fact have 2 stores in Delhi today. And this one is the second one we've opened.
Okay.
And it's a mixture of traditional and fusion and modern and all sorts of, things under one roof.
Yeah,
So,
it's a beautiful combination of modern, luxury, and Indian.
Yes.
So, like,
It's actually so luxurious that a lot of times people, get confused whether this is a mithai store or is this a hotel entry or what is it.
Yeah.
So we have to
True,
literally
true.
put boards outside that
Yeah.
this is a gifting and a sweet store.
I
It's
understand.
actually not it's an experience center.
Please tell us about Shakkar India.
Shakkar is a passion, a dream, something which I had imagined. In fact, my entire family had imagined, and I joined the business a little later. It's a family business I'm taking forward, and we have been into hospitality since many years. Since the time I think I've been married, even much before that, and we've had restaurants to banquet halls to catering companies, and whoever used to come to us to book the catering or the food used to be so impressed with us that he used to always say that, can you please recommend us where in Delhi, can I get good mithai and sweets or bhaji? And that's when we realized that mithai business is huge.
Yes.
And हमें बहुत टाइम लगा, 1 साल से भी ज्यादा रेकी करने में टू अंडरस्टैंड कि एक अच्छी मिठाई प्रेजेंट करनी हो आज की डेट में क्लाइंट को कैसे करना है. नॉर्मल मिठाई तो सभी कर रहे हैं. वी डिड नॉट वांट टू कम इन द नॉर्मल कैटेगरी. So if we are saying that we are luxury, we are into artisanal Indian mithai, then we had to prove it that way.
True.
So it was a lot of hard work. We did a lot of reiki, lot of chefs came, lot of food tastings, lot of mithai tastings, bhaji, savories, and then finally, one day we said that we are ready to launch the brand Shakkar, and that's when we launched the mithai brand. And then a couple of years later, we understood that gifting market is also huge. And आज की डेट पे लोगों को एक नॉर्मल गिफ्ट देते हुए
Yeah.
नहीं होता है. एवरीबडी वांट्स टू क्यूरेट. दे वांट कि हमारे लिए कुछ स्पेशलाइज्ड पर्सनलाइज्ड चीज करी जाए, कुछ हमारे लिए डिफरेंट करा जाए rather than the same market. And that's when we got into this sector also, creating, curating luxury gifting experience for people. We create your vision. We would create what you actually have in mind.
I think in India, gifting is very important, and it's a way of telling to the person how important you are to us.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
It's actually we are not selling gifts. We are giving an emotion.
Right.
आपका जो एक emotion है, एक अपने जिनको देना है उनके लिए, we are creating that. We are curating कि आपके दिल में क्या है, आप क्या करना चाहते हैं आगे, किसके लिए क्या इमोशन है.
You work along with your father-in-law, and your daughter also has recently joined you. So 3 generations working together. Oh, what about the creative differences? How do you resolve them?
Well, actually, it is a family business. My entire family is, working together.
Right.
Even in the catering business, we have wedding venues. We have, a business called Art of Char, then Shakkar, and my husband's there, my brother-in-law's there, my father-in-law's there, and recently my daughter joined a couple of months back after she finished her studies from, India, and then she went outside. She got a degree, and then she came back. She also worked under someone to get another training. So there are a lot of, but it's very fascinating actually for me. Different generations working. My father-in-law is full of wisdom and discipline. If anybody has a problem, even till date, they will go to my father-in-law. So he's very good with his wisdom. My daughter is getting new trends in the business. She's handling the entire social media. She does those strategizing, conceptualizing, what kind of content would do well on Shakkar page, or what kind of things
Goes with the brand.
goes with the brand, trying to bridge the gap of tradition also, modern also, everything together. So yeah, it's been a good experience, and I think मजा आता है ऐसे करने में, because सबके इतने ओपिनियन है घर में.
I'm curious to know, dining table पे क्या conversations होती है?
डाइनिंग टेबल पे यही कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है मोस्टली काम की, एंड एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम वी वर लाइक बस बहुत हो गया, वी आर नॉट डिस्कसिंग वर्क एनीमोर, वी आर डिस्कसिंग समथिंग एल्स, बट इवेंचुअली व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग, यू आर सिटिंग, वी आर गोइंग आउट ईटिंग, खाने पे ध्यान, बात
End up discussing work.
कहीं पे कुछ मीठा खाया तो शक, तो it is all about but it's great fun because we're all pushing each other to do better.
It's a very proud thing that in family only you guys are doing so well, and you being a daughter-in-law, it's so inspiring. You are taking the legacy forward.
Yeah, I'm enjoying. I've learned so much from my family, and I am enjoying this business. I'm so happy to take it forward. Shakkar has become like, of course, a baby for me who I'm, raising and
It's very inspiring.
taking it forward, and it's a lot of hard work which has gone behind, but hard work ka jab result acha aata hai, so then it's
Shakkar.
all, yes.
Yeah, good. So I guess your family business Salt needs Salt Catering needs no introduction in the hospitality industry,
Right.
and now you have created a premium brand like Shakkar.
Right.
So how has the sweet and catering industry changed since your grandparents and parents' time? Do you feel any change?
Yeah, of course, there are a lot of changes. पहले ज़माने में it was all about emotion and a lot of love. Even today, but with a twist. Now the twist is कि आज की डेट में सिर्फ खाना या मिठाई, सिर्फ खाने में स्वाद नहीं होनी चाहिए. It has to look aesthetically very pleasing, and that's what matters. Today's generation or today's age people would want
Pleasing to your eyes.
to your eyes, as well as when you eat, it should be appetizing enough. So yeah, that's the major difference. The presentation has changed. A lot of personalization has gone into curating any food item or any kind of mithai. So yeah, so पहले के ज़माने में ये था कि it was all about making with love and giving time and attention to one thing. But today, because there's so much of competition, you want that your thing should come out very beautifully and experience. People are looking for experience more than anything else. So it has to look very aesthetically appealing. Packaging, yes, that's the main difference. Packaging today is become a big game changer. Whereas पुराने ज़माने में पैकेजिंग पे कभी भी ध्यान नहीं गया. इट वाज ऑल नॉर्मल सिंपल मिठाई का डब्बा. कभी बच्चों ने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया कि हमारी शादी पे मिठाइयाँ क्या जा रही हैं. आज की डेट में द ब्राइड एंड द ग्रूम, दे वांट टू डिसाइड व्हाट मिठाइज दे वांट, व्हाट गिफ्ट्स दे वांट, व्हाट केटरिंग दे वांट, what they want. The parents have taken a back step. Of course, they are there in the loop, but the bride and the groom is there. So
we used to get happy काजू कतली आई है.
काजू कतली आज की डेट में आप मुझसे पूछोगे, मैं आपको 20 नाम गिनवा दूंगी अभी. So there are different kinds of mithais, and people love that kind of experience. They don't want the regular stuff.
But how do you keep the younger generation hooked? Because it was easier to please our parents maybe, but the new generation now, they are very picky, very choosy, and they're very smart with their money too. So how do you keep them hooked?
Like I just mentioned, that it's very difficult to keep them hooked, but because we are working very hard on what we are doing when a bride and the groom walks in, and we show them several options.
Right.
We show them different kinds of packaging. We know what they would like. We know their pulse. So we would make them try different kinds of stuff. And that's when we the younger generation also kind of, they come to us 10 times and then they decide. But ठीक है, we also know कि इस generation को वो पुरानी चीजें नहीं पसंद, उनको कुछ नया पसंद है. अब हम उनको बोलते हैं आप बताओ आपके माइंड में क्या है. You just tell us your vision. I will bring your dream into reality. If they have anything in the mind from the world or wherever, we will procure it for them. We will bring their vision into reality. So that's what is our USP.
Very nice.
Right. So which is Gen Z's favorite mithai?
Gen Z's favorite मिठाई बड़ा मुश्किल है ये बताना.
Do they even have a favorite? Like,
They don't have.
They are
any
so
favorite.
calorie conscious.
They
Yeah.
just like which is a beautiful looking mithai.
Fancy.
And then it should taste decently well.
yeah.
Okay.
So yeah.
Maybe less on
So we
calories.
have this really
So-
nice mithai which is a pista jugalbandi,
Okay.
which is an amalgamation of pista along with jugalbandi and gulukand inside and all
Oh,
of
wow.
that. So the Gen Z really likes that.
Easy to
Then
convince.
we have a mithai called Nutty Mandarin. It's made out of kaju and it's got a mandarin on it. So it's a very refreshing mithai.
Fusion.
It's a very fusion, but it's got a great shelf life as well. So that's what they like. But ऐसे तो बहुत सारी मिठाई है. If we start talking on that,
We're definitely having a
you
few
of course
them.
I'm not letting you go without trying all of them.
It's mithai is something like, it's like our moms used to say, a box khul gaya, nobody will have one piece.
Yeah.
So box used to be like gone in 30 seconds maybe. Chalo.
So, what is one mithai that is close to your heart, which
Yes.
has been a part of your family since the starting, like since the beginning?
कुछ भी कह लो, पुरानी मिठाइयों में मोतीचूर लड्डू, you can't go wrong with it.
Yeah.
Never.
जो खाएगा उसको अच्छा लगेगा. रसमलाई, मोतीचूर लड्डू, आपके गुलाब जामुन, रसगुल्ले, ये सब मीठे इस तरह की चीजें कि आप कभी भी खाओ, ये आउट ऑफ फैशन हो ही नहीं सकते. और अगर हो भी गए, खाने में उतने ही टेस्टी है.
One thing जो हमेशा आपके घर के मेन्यू में होती है कि like every festival is incomplete.
Your personal favorite.
Personal
मेरा
favorite.
पर्सनल फेवरेट शाही बादाम, शाही
Okay.
बेसन है, बेसन एंड बादाम का मिक्सचर.
Okay.
एंड उसके अलावा लाइक आई जस्ट सेड मोतीचूर लड्डू है.
Everyone's favorite.
Yeah.
Laddu makes you happy.
Laddu makes you happy.
You were the official gifting and catering partner for IFA Awards 2025.
That's correct.
Congratulations for that.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
So, how was the experience for you?
So the experience was surreal. Being part of an event that celebrates Indian creativity on a global platform was completely a very special moment for us. It was a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of hard work which went in curating a different kind of a menu for IFA because we wanted all the celebrities to try our food, and it was a good experience because we got such a great feedback from so many of them that it was totally worth it. And so looking forward to do more IFA super soon.
And you were looking gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
In that sari, right? Golden sari.
So I'd worn a golden gown and I'd
Okay.
worn another something in
So
black.
they're like, yeah,
before.
very
You're
nice.
looking lovely.
Yeah. Do you remember an instance from IFA Awards where a celebrity tasted your food and fell in love?
Honestly, a lot of them appreciated the food
Yeah.
and the in-room hampers we had done for them. In fact, when we were felicitated on the stage,
Yeah.
while I was, taking the memento, everybody around me was just complimenting on what they had at night in the room and how nice it was, and they were completely, enamored by what all mithais or what all bakery and savories we had offered them. So yeah, and special incident, if you ask me, Madhuri Dixit, when I told her that it's our
Yeah.
catering and I made her try our food, she was so happy and full of appreciation for us because she said that she's tried so much all around the world, but the kind of cuisine we had made her try, she was full of appreciation for us. And both the days she remembered Salt by name, and the next day she was like, okay, what new am I trying today by Salt Catering? So this was a great achievement that actors actually remembered Salt and Shakkar's name. So,
That's
yeah.
Must be
great.
an amazing
It was
feeling.
actually a
Memorable
it was actually
moment.
a good
Yeah.
manifestation which came true.
So manifestation does come.
Yes, it definitely does come.
Yeah.
So what are you manifesting next?
अभी बताएंगे. Stay tuned. Lots of things coming up.
Can't wait.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
But Pooja, could you share more about the range of bespoke gifting options that you offer for weddings and festive season?
Yeah.
So it depends from person to person. Everybody has a different vision of what they want to give. But we are like a one-stop solution. Like I said, we are an experience center where people come and talk about their ideas, and we kind of bring them in real. We curate and we personalize. In today's date, it's very important to give the client that much importance that the client knows that मैं जो सोचूंगा वो यहाँ आके हो जाएगा. So we give the complete personalization, curation, depending on what kind of hampers are they looking at. If they are looking at engagement or are they looking at wedding, then we recommend them totally traditional hampers. If they're looking at for an anniversary, then we'll give them something fusion, something more modern with a twist. Or if they're looking at puja giveaways, then we'll completely give them a different range. So we have a collection of different kinds of gifting range, all bespoke, depending on what the client wants, and we're okay to make it for them. We have special curated boxes where when a client chooses, we curate box for the client as per the theme of their event, and then we have bride's name, everything personalized on the box to the end. For example, there was a client, ऐसे बहुत client आते हैं who want to curate something, want me to curate something special for them. So for example, I'll just show you this thing. There was a client who wanted a mixture of traditional gifting
so beautiful.
as
So
well as different kind of touch. So this was
Wow, this is so
the
nice.
theme was Nandi ji, and we had created this silver. We had specially created this design for them, and then along with
Is it like real silver?
yes, it's microfoaming and proper silver, and then it had a box. We had mithai, which is pine nuts. We specially curated for them with gold work. So it was a very different kind of a gifting they would wanted to do, and they got so happy and emotional because वो जिस तरह से चाहते थे कि नंदी जी चाहिए हमें एक ट्रेडिशनल इफेक्ट अपने उस पे, साथ में एक बॉक्स चाहिए एंड उसके अंदर मिठाई चाहिए, वो बहुत ट्रेडिशनल हो येट खाने में बहुत एक्सक्लूसिव हो, प्रीमियम हो. सो वी क्रिएटेड ऑल ऑफ दैट. We got very emotional, and we made about 150 of these boxes along with this
Perfectly
entire
done.
there was entire logo of their brand, of their bride and groom name. So this was very different. This is something we curated for a client. They wanted a tray along with, now this looks very royal to me.
Yes.
They
it
wanted
does.
something like that. They wanted something जिसके अंदर hamper के अंदर tray
Frame.
के अंदर जो photo frame हो उसमें bride and groom का नाम हो along with a thank you note. So we created something like that for them, and this is a box with very intricate work specially designed for them, and it has dry fruits in it. So we curated this, and then we created these mithai pods जिसमें bride and groom के initials थे on the mithai.
Okay.
So yeah, it was completely a different kind of a
Concept.
personalization for them, and like a thank you note, like I said, and it looked very royal and classy.
Yes, it does.
So then again, if you ask me for baby showers, this we did was for a baby shower.
So cute.
Yeah, so it's got all kind of shakkar
I love the little detail
gourmet
in it.
delicacies. We had brownies in it. We had chocolates in it. We had kind of mukhwas in it. We had different kinds of products, and this does very well.
Yes.
Then there's another bag we did for a bridal shower.
Birkin in the house. Birkin in the house.
So yeah, so we did this for a bridal shower with
yeah.
all our gourmet products in it, and then these are little cute bags again we're doing for any sort of gifting or like I said, baby announcement or whatever. Then a lot of people just come to us, dono dikha do, with just asking us for mithai boxes, and then we do different kinds of mithais.
Oh,
This is a
wow.
mithai slab we've done for a client, and again on the box it's all the curation, all the personalization of the client's name, the bride and groom, everything we do. This one is a box we've done for another client with Rakshit and Aditi. So we a handwritten note, personalization, all of these things is what really matters and what makes us different from the rest, and that's why people want to come back to us. And I think the key today is to make a bride and groom happy is personalization and making them actually feel that
Feel
what
like
you
it's
think,
their wedding.
what
Yeah.
it's their
Yeah.
wedding, what you think is we're going to get, you know,
Yeah.
made for you.
So, Shakkar is known for creating innovative products that often get copied by others. So, how does it feel when others replicate your product?
Honestly, I hate it. But
Such an honest answer.
but now after a while I think that जितना मर्जी कोई आपको कॉपी करे, they cannot copy your creativity. They cannot create your copy your entire thought process. I have so many people who come and tell me, my clients, that we tried some similar mithai at another competitive brand, but the taste was not similar. So they can't copy the taste.
Yeah.
They can definitely copy, you know, how the mithai looks, but they can't copy what's actually going in my mind and how we are creating recipes, because there's a lot of hard work which goes behind.
How are you going to present it?
It's
How are
a
you going to
deep thought
pack it?
which
Yeah.
goes behind it. It's a lot of experimentation. Lots of times, you know, we fail creating a
Yeah.
kind of product. Then we again create, and karte we come up with a SKU or a product.
Yeah.
But yes, at the end of the day, I would say that ठीक है ना, you're trending so much that people are looking up to you and they are copying you to the extent they are copying what content you are making on social media. They are copying what kind of mithais or what kind of gifting or even what kind of decor I do. I see people copying it.
Yeah.
So ठीक है, I'm good, so people are copying me. But at the end of the day, they cannot copy what exactly is in my mind. They can
The
copy up to an
essence.
extent.
Yeah.
So अब मुझे बुरा नहीं लगता.
It's
I
a good
used to
thing,
hate it.
actually.
Yeah.
I feel only if you're famous, people will copy you.
Absolutely.
If you're doing good work.
You're doing good
So,
work, people will copy you,
Yeah.
and be ready for it.
True.
Don't feel so like I said, I hate it, but at the same time I know that because I'm doing good work, people will look up to me, so it's kind of a compliment also. So let's take it in a good positive
Healthy way.
manner rather than, you know.
Now we are really excited for our favorite segment, Rapid Fire.
So, Pooja, the Social Misfits have some fun questions for you. Are you ready for them?
Yes, absolutely.
So,
Am I getting the hamper?
No, we will be getting a hamper from you.
I'll be giving a shakkar hamper
Yes,
to you.
Yes.
we need it.
Absolutely.
So, motichur laddu or kaju katli?
Both?
Choose one, pick one.
Yeah, motichur laddu, you can't go wrong.
You
with
can't
ever.
choose between two.
Laddu
Yeah,
makes
both
you
are so
happy.
nice.
Two kids.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, most requested mithai for Indian weddings?
Most requested mithai. Lots of them. You know, our signature mithai, which is a pistachio lounge. Then we have a shahi besan lounge, which does very well. There's our shakkar signature dry fruit we do. It's called Panch Ratna. It's made out of 5 dry fruits, and it's our chef's secret recipe, and it tastes really well. So a lot of clients call us, not just from Delhi, from all over India, asking for that special Panch Ratna. And yeah, we cater to all kind of segments.
My mouth is watering.
Yeah, sounds yum.
One sweet that deserves a comeback.
One sweet.
Yeah.
सारी मिठाइयाँ बहुत अच्छी होती है, but yeah, I think गुड़ संदेश, आपका
yeah.
चमचम, रसमलाई तो खैर चलता ही है. So all of these मिठाइयाँ are very good, which needs to come back. खोया does very well, but उसकी shelf life बहुत कम होती है.
Yeah.
So इसलिए.
Okay, so one weird flavor combo that surprisingly worked.
Oh yes, it did. There was this client who came to us and wanted to get their mithais curated, अपने flavors
Yeah.
के साथ. So we were very happy to do that. So he made us make a mithai which was a mixture of a guava and mango, along with some badam in between, and it came out surprisingly so
Delicious.
well that yeah. So one of
Sounds-
the weird combinations, but came out very well.
Sounds delish too.
Yeah. Sweet you secretly don't like.
Such
I really want to know this.
मैं ऐसे कैसे बोल सकती हूँ
No,
अपने
no, no,
काम
no.
में कि sweets I don't like. I तो love sweets. Yeah.
One, I'm sure.
One.
Like,
One.
Okay, don't quote me. But yeah, actually सोन पापड़ी से थक गई हूँ.
Yay!
I don't like.
Yeah.
हम सोन पापड़ी करते ही नहीं. We do very fancy artists.
Yeah.
So I will not talk about beyond that.
okay. So one kitchen disaster you will never forget.
बहुत सारे गलतियों से ही तो सीखते हो आप. You make mistakes and then you come up with such good ones. Whether it's mithai, whether it's your own household
Right,
work, whether
right.
it's doing anything in life. So वो तो गलतियाँ तो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब होती है. There was this mithai we were creating. We were creating something out of caramel and some khoya and something like that, and didn't come out come out well.
Yeah.
And that's when we realized कि ज़्यादा चीनी कम चीनी से experiment नहीं करना चाहिए. It just didn't come out well. Otherwise usually हम जो create करते हैं वो बहुत अच्छी बन के आती है. But that one caramelized thing which we were trying to create, it didn't come out nice. It was completely a disaster. So we're not experimenting with that again.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. One mithai that is Gen Z favorite and one that is popular among millennials.
Gen Z favorite, Gen Z तो बहुत जल्दी चूज करते चेंज हो जाते हैं. Gen Z का कोई भरोसा नहीं.
Flippers?
उनको आज बेसन बादाम पसंद आ रहा है तो कल उनको बादाम पसंद आ रहा है, कल उनको नटी मैंडरिन पसंद आ रहा है, परसों उनको हेजलनट वंडर, आजकल मैकेडेमिया मिठाई है वो बहुत पसंद आ रही है. So Gen Z की मैं गारंटी अभी नहीं ले सकती. They love मिठाईज but at the same time they're not particular or they don't stick to one मिठाई.
What about millennials?
Millennials के लिए
We are very loyal. We are very loyal.
आप बताओ आपको कौन सी पसंद
We don't change. We are very loyal.
You tell me your favorite मिठाई which you don't. मेरे को तो ऐसे you tell me.
Motichur laddu makes me hot.
Motichur
I don't
love
know.
Motichur
Yeah,
laddu.
so motichur laddu which probably millennial.
I
Yeah.
also like besan ka laddu at times. I mean, it's
लड्डू बेसन
Yeah.
like I said लड्डू तो मतलब लड्डू सुनते ही मुंह में पानी आ जाता है यार. लड्डू you can't go wrong with.
Yeah.
गोंद का लड्डू, पंजीरी लड्डू, बेसन लड्डू,
Oh, I love
मोतीचूर
pinnis.
लड्डू, पिन्नी
Yeah.
लड्डू.
It's a winter
ये
season.
सारे so all of these.
And especially the bhaji you guys do. I think it's amazing.
So we actually bhajis we have so much of variety when we make bhajis. इतना इंडिया के अंदर
Yeah.
bhaji boxes and savory boxes का trend है. We have specially curated. We have a designer on board who only creates bhaji boxes designs for us. Besides the sweet boxes, because people want so much of variety in bhaji today that the boxes also have to look very presentable and nice. Bhaji में बहुत variety है. आप
शादी शक्कर के बिना नहीं हो सकती.
हो ही नहीं सकती.
Exactly.
करनी नहीं है.
नहीं करनी.
शादी में शक्कर और शक्कर से टक्कर भी नहीं लेनी.
Oh, good one. Okay, so Pooja, do you think calories count in the festive season?
बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं तो यही
right.
बोलूंगी calories don't count in the festive season. अगर आप खा रहे हो तो दिल से खाओ. उसके बाद
Food is
festive,
about-
उसके बाद आपने
Yeah.
जो करना है करो. You want to join a gym, you want to go on a diet,
Yeah.
but festivals में
Yeah.
calories पे मत ध्यान दो. You have to eat well, you have to मतलब
Feel good.
वही तो मजा है यार. उन्हीं दिनों में तो पैम्पर करती है पूरी फैमिली, आपको
Yeah.
गिफ्ट्स मिलती है, वो ही नहीं यूज करोगे तो फिर क्या फायदा.
I think mithai is one thing will never go out of trend.
Yeah.
It's a
Mithai-
classic.
मिठाई will never go out of trend.
Yeah. We
Do
are
you
done.
hire mithai tasters by any chance? Because we are applying.
Yes.
Please join us. हम लोग खा के we put on so much weight from being a size this to another size. Yeah, I mean we definitely need more मिठाई tasters. हमारी पूरी family मिठाई taste करती है.
Yeah.
We have a friends who are very fond of all this.
Yeah.
We call them for food tasting. Every maybe 1.5 to 2 months we have a new something, we try to innovate. हमारी मिठाई cakes बहुत famous है. So we do a lot of tasting with that. Our savories like we said, bhajis. तो हमें तो tasters चाहिए होते हैं कि जो आए और थोड़ा taste करे और बताए हमें, और ताकि we get more time and more space to improve. We need people. So you both are definitely coming
Definitely in.
next when we are doing
Shaka
our
for life.
food tasting, mithai tasting. You're in.
Finish the sentence. I'm a misfit because
I'm a misfit because I'm trying to balance everything from personal life to work life to
Yeah.
what I like to do, all of that, and I'm trying to bridge the gap between tradition and modern and everything.
Yeah.
So I think I am a misfit on all of that.
yeah.
Or you're doing wonderfully
Yes,
well. So,
wonderfully well. If I'm
yes.
doing wonderfully well, then also I'm a misfit.
True.
And you're doing something which is very deep rooted in our culture, and it's a really good thing.
So that's a wrap. And this conversation was pure indulgence. And thank you, Pooja, for adding sweetness
Thank you.
to
I
our
had
day.
such a great time with both of you. It was good fun, and now we're all sitting and having some mithai
Absolutely.
and enjoying some chaat.
Yes, we were actually waiting for this
Cut.
to end so that we can eat finally.
Guys,
Bye.
don't forget Shadi season Shakkar.
Yes. Vote for Shakkar.
Vote me, just come and buy your stuff from Shakkar. Order.
Yes, please.
At the Experience Center. See you super soon.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.